Well, it's being called the Great Kate Wait, and it seems like that Great Kate Wait is about to get over, with news now that the Duchess of Cambridge has headed to hospital for the moment, at least for a possible delivery. Remember, over the weekend it was made clear that the original due date that most in the press had believed it to be July 13th was in fact possibly July the 23rd. Kate's mother allegedly speaking to people. Remember, this isn't a story that changes anyone's lives, least of all here in India, and yet it is a story that everyone has tracked really closely to begin with, because the royal couple, both the Duke and Duchess of Cambridge, Kate and William, are an extremely popular celebrity couple around the world, and as a result the build-up to this delivery has been far more than anything that you can possibly imagine. We've seen television channels set up base, photographers set up base for weeks now outside the St. Mary's Hospital there in London, just waiting to get a glimpse of the royal couple as they are rushed in for the delivery. Unofficial estimates saying that as much as £50,000 are being spent every day just to keep those crews in place so they have a vantage point to the royal couple. Wikipedia has already announced the birth of the baby in terms of setting up a page in advance of that couple. We've seen a lot of Kate and William lookalikes coming and standing outside the hospital as well. There's definitely an atmosphere of a carnival, given the amount of memorabilia, millions of pounds really being spent already on Kate mugs, on baby balloons, as well as all kinds of silverware. What really remains to be seen, there aren't too many surprises left in here, but even now, nobody knows whether it's a boy or a girl. What seems to be clear is that no matter whether it is a boy or a girl, that child is going to be in line to be the next heir to the British royal throne. That's certainly something that has changed since the last royal delivery.